Hello everyone, myself Abhishek Sen. I am a student of Daffodil International University, Department of Software Engineering, in short HWE. My student ID 02423200054174. My registration ID 232357744. I am currently third year student. Currently I live in Ashulia Sarkar Market. My hometown is Kustia. I completed my SSC exam from Kustia Jilai School. My result in SSC exam was 4.78 out of 5.00. I am completed my SSC exam from Kustia Police Line School and College. My result in SSC exam was 5.00 out of 5.00. My mother tongue is Bangla. I can also read, write and speak two other languages. Those are English and Hindi. My future plan was become a software engineer. I love to development. I want to do some development work for my country. Those days software increase day by day, so I am decide to join the software engineering department. Daffodil International University gives me the opportunity to complete my graduation in software development department. In software engineering I can development software and many other communication technique. Those are good for my future plan and my dream. In private university, Daffodil International University was situated Shavar Ashulia Khagan. Daffodil International University has a big campus. There are many students and many good teachers. Teachers are so helpful and comfortable to conversation for study and teaching purpose. They are very helpful to understand my study and my study and thesis paper. I love my campus very much. The Daffodil International University become a good opportunity to go intern to out of our country. There are many opportunity to success in our life. Thank you to Daffodil International University to give me the opportunity to study my dream subject software engineering, to give the goal of my future plan. Thank you everyone.